Hi, I'm Apurva, and welcome back to Making It Belly, where I share what it's like to build a brand from scratch. Today, we're going to start with the very first step of building a brand, and ये वाली स्टेप मोस्ट ऑफ द लोग या तो स्किप कर देते हैं या तो एकदम रश थ्रू कर देते हैं बिकॉज ये इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट लगती ही नहीं है व्हेन यू हियर अबाउट इट इज़ डिफाइनिंग योर वाई. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कोई पिंटरेस्ट ही ऐसा कोट है जिसमें आई एम सेइंग कि गो फॉलो योर पैशन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. नो, बट एक्चुअली आस्किंग योर सेल्फ कि वाई एम आई डूइंग दिस, मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ, वाई डू आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अ ब्रांड. And that just this little question is really important. This seems like such a simple question ना.
Afraid it's not that simple.
बट जब भी आप 3 महीने या 1 साल इन योर बिजनेस होंगे एंड आपके शूट्स फ्लॉप हो रहे हैं, आपके कलेक्शंस सोल्ड आउट नहीं हो रहे हैं, आपने जो फैब्रिक्स खरीदे एंटिसिपेट करके कि इतने सेल्स होंगे, वो आपके वर्क प्लेस में बस रखे एक रैक में एंड इट्स जस्ट स्टेयरिंग एट यू.
Please don't make me cry.
And just the reels that you have spent 4 hours making or editing, वो आप post करने के बाद you are getting 30-40 likes on that, you're going to get very very demotivated. And the why, this why is the only thing that is going to keep you going. No third person support, nothing else. Literally how much ever external support you must be having, तभी उस time पे only this, the inside voice of yours and this reason will keep you going. And that's why this is very very important. मैंने तनौटी स्टार्ट किया था, आई डिडंट हैव अ फॉर्मल बिजनेस प्लान. मतलब मैंने इतना सोचा नहीं था अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर एट माई गट दैट आई वॉन्ट टू डू दिस फॉर अ रीजन. एंड आई डिड थिंक अबाउट वॉट इज माई वाई, लाइक वाई डू आई वॉन्ट टू डू दिस. सो वन इज आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू मेक समथिंग ऑफ माई ओन एंड मेक इट मीन इन दिस वर्ल्ड. एंड ऑल्सो आई रियली थिंक कि इस एक थॉट के पास बहुत ज़्यादा पावर है. सो just because मैंने सोचा कि तनौटी स्टार्ट करते हैं, I want to do this, today we are here. And I made my thoughts into reality, and just that whole aspect gives me a lot of courage and hope. उसके अलावा I really wanted to make something that is comfortable yet beautiful. I wanted to give a lot of attention to detail, and what huge production houses do, like good styling, editing, photography, like everything that goes into a luxury brand, but bring it to accessible price point. Like that was my goal, and I wanted to do this in the ethnic sector. When I started, this was the vision that I went in with. So that was my why. And because of all this, it actually helps me out in everything. So from like writing captions to maybe ordering fabrics, everything, हर एक चीज में ये एक चीज हेल्प करती है to decide what is where, or you can see the storyline somewhere or the other when you see my patterns of working. Now you must be thinking, how do I find my own why? So it's very easy. Basically, just ask yourself a few questions, sit with yourself, think about what you really want to do. Ask yourself that, am I doing this for some creative expression? Do I want to maybe say something that I can't say in words, but I want to express it through art or design? Is there a problem that I'm solving? Is there a problem that I've identified which is there in this world and no one else has really found the right solution for it? So maybe I can answer that problem through my work. And is that the reason you are starting? Or is there a market gap which you have seen which has exponential potential, and like you really want to get into that market, and why do you think that you can enter that market and disrupt it? Or you've just seen something that's missing and you just want to fill that gap. Think about, maybe do you care about sustainability or ethical fashion or slow fashion, or you know loving the environment or loving our earth? And is that something that really drives you? And if it does, then that can be one of your reasons. Or maybe it can also just be you really want to make people feel confident and beautiful in something that you have made, and this whole thing just has to make sense for you. None of these answers are wrong. It's just about understanding which answer works for you. क्योंकि ये किसी और के लिए नहीं है. Like अगर आप इसको एकदम फैंटेसाइज करके कोई बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का आंसर सॉल्व करने लग जाओगे, या फिर यू वांट टू साउंड nicer and you want to say that I want to go get into sustainability because that sounds so right. But if you don't feel about it, it's not going to work for you. So ये जो आंसर है ये बस एक पिच डेक नहीं है किसी और को बताने के लिए. It's really something that you want to do so that it helps you out in your whole pathway and not for anyone else. So you don't even have to tell anyone why are you doing this, but have it in your mind, like write it down somewhere and just keep it in your mind.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Also, ये जो why है, that will always help you to answer your own questions, especially जब you don't know what you want to do next या फिर you are a little lost. It will help you to say yes or no to a lot of things that want to come your way. For example, आज मेरे पास बैंक में XYZ amount of money है and I can only spend on either today I can do ad spends or either I can spend on a new dyeing technique or a new design style. What is really important for you at that point, your why is going to answer that. So all these answers are going to come with just a bit of clarity in your head, and that is going to help you go a very very long way. One small exercise before we end this episode. I want you guys to take out your notebooks or your note apps or whatever, and right now just sit for like 2 minutes and think about one thing that really drives you, or basically one thing that you're very very clear about कि ये तो मुझे चाहिए ही. तो for example, I want to build a brand which creates nostalgia with modern silhouettes. अगर आप इस बारे में बहुत श्योर हो कि you want to evoke an emotion with your designs, just write that now. Anything, just it can just be literally anything, but that one thing that you're very very sure that you're true to, and कि ये वाली चीज़ तो 100% change नहीं होने वाली. So just write that down, make a mood board about that, find some pictures, find some inspirations that you can add to your mood board, and those inspirations should not be of the products. It should be of the feeling or the energy that you want to put out. And once you make that board, looking at it, it will just give you a clearer image of what really is the vibe of your brand. Okay, we're done for today. So your why is going to change with time as you grow, but having a starting point is really important. So I think this is going to help you with just entering the phase where you want to start building. And other than that, for the next episode, we are going to talk about finding your own niche, not by gender or age, but by energy and mood. So stay tuned for that and do wait for our next video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe if you really think that it helped you even a little bit. Until then, remember, we are all just making it barely.